How to make money online working from home. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make money online working from home. Right guys, so guys, without any delay, let I show you how to make money online working from home, guys. Right guys, so guys, here before telling you this, guys, let I show you some of the results that I have got working from home, guys. Right, so guys, here you can see some of the money that I have made just by working from home, guys. Right, so yes, don't worry, I will tell you the exact way that I'm using to make money online working from home. By the way, guys, here is my disclaimer. Right, my results are not typical, right, and it may varies. Right, so here the strategy that I'm gonna tell you, it is working for me. So here I can't give you guarantee that it will work for you, right? So it depends that how you take actions, right? So guys, here as you can see, I have made $3,800, right? And there is a $100, $100, $138, and I have received $639.04, right? And there is another, you can see $1,000, $798, right? And $100, $100, and there is $579.60, guys. Right, so guys, now you might be thinking how I have made such amounts of money, guys. Right, so here is my you can say strategy, or you can say here is my best method to make money online working from home, guys. And this is affiliate marketing, guys. Yes, guys, affiliate marketing, you can say it is something where you pick someone else's product, or you can say any company's product in your niche market or subject. Niche means that where you have kind of interest, kind of passion, right? So considering your passion, considering your niche interest, you pick a product, right, and you start promoting that very product in the market, like on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, right, or like you can say Twitter, right? So when someone buys that very product that you are promoting through your unique affiliate link, you make commission, you make a fixed commission, guys. Right, so you represent yourself as a middleman, guys. Right, so this is affiliate marketing, guys. Right, so you pick someone else's product and you start promoting that very product in the market. When someone buys, you make commission, guys. Like it's like a referral marketing, right? So here what happens when you apply to the affiliate program of the company, right, home product that you want to promote in your niche, they given you unique affiliate link, right? It is having your unique affiliate ID, or you can say unique username, right? So they give you unique affiliate link, right? As you can see, this is the example of unique affiliate link. It looks right, it is looking long, and somewhere it looks ugly, guys. Right, so yes, this is the link that is given by the company whom product that you are promoting, or given by the product owner whom product that you are going to promote. So yes, your unique affiliate link can be anything, guys. Right, so so here point is that this is your final link that you need to promote, that you need to market, right? So guys, now you know what is affiliate marketing. So this is the way that we are going to apply, and we are going to make money by doing affiliate marketing, guys. Now you might be thinking that what's the best way? Can you just explain me a little bit more about affiliate marketing? Don't worry, guys, I will give you my best strategy that you can use, guys, right, to do affiliate marketing, so you can make money online working from home, guys. Right, so now you know what is affiliate marketing, right? So guys, here as I told you, right, you pick a niche where you have passion, interest, right, and considering your niche, right, like as I told you, your niche can be like, I'm into affiliate marketing, I'm into make money online niche, right? So there is demand in the market, right? And I'm also passionate about to talk about affiliate marketing, talk about the ways of making money online. So somewhere I have my interest, I have my passion. So, and at the same time, there are other people, those who are into health and fitness, right? They are having interest into that, right? Into that field, health and fitness, weight loss thing, right? So if you are having interest, if you are having passion, where you are, you can say, you can say very much interested to talk about how to lose weight, then yes, you can pick that niche, right? So considering that niche, you uh, pick your product, guys, that you want to promote, right? And yes, guys, one more thing that I would highly recommend you, when you pick your niche, yes, you must look for that, you must be having passion, you must be having interest, but also you must look for that there must be demand in the market, there must be money in that market, guys. Guys, you tell me, if you pick a niche or market where there is no money, then guys, how will you make money, guys? You are going into this field because you want to make money, right? So yes, consider that while picking your niche, right? So now when you know what is my niche, then your next step is you pick your product, guys, right? You pick your product that pays you high commission or monthly recurring commission, guys. So like for example, as you know that I'm into affiliate marketing, so considering that I have picked a product that is legendary marketer, it pays me high commission, guys. But right now promoting this book, it is a low ticket product, mean to say low ticket front end product, but at the back end, if someone buys some other products, I will be making high commission, guys. So here, this is your next step. After picking your niche, then you need to pick your product that you want to promote, and always consider it must pay high commission or a recurring commission, guys. Guys, understand this, it takes same amount of efforts to promote $1 product or $1,000 product, guys, right? It takes same amount of efforts to make sale. So always go for a product that pays you high commission or monthly recurring commission. Same thing, if here in monthly recurring commission, mean to say the product that pays you monthly recurring commission. So here you put efforts to make a sale for one time, but you will be getting commission, or can say passive income, every month till the subscription of that very person, guys, right, whom that you have sold your product, right? So always consider these two things while picking any product in your niche. It must be having, you can say, it must be paying high commission or recurring commission, or both. It's up to you, right? So considering that, I have picked the product that is a legendary marketer. It's a program by Dave Sharpe, who has made $200 million in sales in his online business, right? So this is a program by him, Dave Sharpe, right? So, and this book is written by that very person, Dave Sharpe. So I'm promoting this book, right? Or you can say this program that pays me high commission, right? So guys, here what my next step? My next step is okay, I have decided my product. So what I will do, I will pick my affiliate link as I have shown you earlier, right? So now for promoting this book, now this is my affiliate link, guys, right? Let I show you the live example. So guys, you can see this is the program, legendary marketer, and this is the guy that I'm talking about, Dave Sharpe, right? So by going, you can see this is my affiliate link, guys, right? So guys, here one thing that we need to keep in mind, that I see that most people, they just go to you can say go and apply to the affiliate program, and they pick their affiliate link and start promoting that ugly looking and long looking affiliate link everywhere. Guys, this is not the right practice, guys. What you can do, you can just pick your affiliate link, right, and then go to Bitly. It's a software through which you can make your affiliate link short, guys, right? So actually I have already make my affiliate link short using Bitly. It's a free tool, guys, right? So as you can see, yeah, this is my affiliate link, by using this affiliate link I have created, or you can say I have made my affiliate link short, you can see, right? So this is my final link, guys, right? So yes, now this is my final link, and if someone click on that link, then that very person will be gone to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys, right? You can see, right? So this is the product data. So if someone put his name, then that very person will go to the next page, or you can say sales page, right, to get the book, guys. By the way, if you want to read that book, then down below I'm putting the link, right, so that you can go and check out. This book is specially designed for affiliate marketers. So if you want to know everything about affiliate marketing and you want to start your own affiliate marketing business in a right way, then yes, go and read that book. Down below I'm putting the link so that you can check out, right? So guys, let I show you, like, you can go to create and put your affiliate link here, guys, right? And then you need to, like, here there is will be like button create, click on that, then yes, can you see that? Yeah. So now this is my final link, guys, right? So yes, you can copy and you can start promoting that affiliate link on your platform where you want to promote. Like I want to promote this link on Facebook, right? So yes, I can go there and I can put that affiliate link in my bio section. Let I show you. So here in that section, guys, I can put my affiliate link, guys, right? And again, guys, never ever put your affiliate link, you can say, in other people's post, in comment section, or in other people's group. Come on, guys, this is not a right practice to put your affiliate link, right? We call it, it's kind of spamming, guys, right? So don't do that. The right way, let I show you what you can do. You can do edit section. You can go to edit section, right? And then here you can go to, can you see that website? And now here go to edit section again, right? And now here can you see the edit, and now go to add another website, and now here put your affiliate link, guys, right? So can you see that, guys, here? And then go and save changes. So it will be showing on your profile, guys. Yeah, can you see that, guys? Right. So guys, here this is the right way, guys, right? Somewhere I call it direct selling or direct linking, right? So we call it direct linking or direct selling, guys, right? So here you can write any post, and at the end of the post you can say, hey, if you want to know more, like, you know, in your post you can talk about the product that you are promoting, guys, right? So yes, after telling each and everything about the product that you are promoting, then at the end of the post you can say, hey, link is in my bio to get more details or to buy the product, right? So this is the first thing you can do. Second thing that you can do a Facebook live video. Like you can see I have done a Facebook live video. So yes, here again you talk about the product, and then at the end of the video, same thing, you can say, hey, if you want to know more details or you want to buy that product, then go to my profile, there is a link, right? So they will go, and if they click, they will be taken to a page, or you can say your affiliate offer, and if they buy, you will be making money, guys. Can you see that how easy it is, guys? But guys, here overall idea is that first you need to provide value, guys. Again, guys, keep that in mind, that nobody going to buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you, guys. So yes, you need to build the trust in the market, guys, right? We like to buy from someone who we know, like, and trust. So how you build that? You provide value, guys. You help people, right? So you provide some valuable content, valuable post on your one platform, guys, right? So this is one of the way, guys, that you can do like affiliate marketing, and you can pick product, make your affiliate link short through Bitly, and just pick one platform. It can be YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, right? It's up to you, and put your affiliate link in your bio section and just start doing some valuable post, right? So that people can start knowing you, liking you and having trust on you, right? If you provide some great valuable content, some great post that really helps your ideal customer, right, then yes, when trust is built, and definitely people go to your profile and they will go and they will buy from you guys. So guys, this is my one of the way to make money online working from home, guys, right? Actually, it's you can say this is the way that I have shown you. It's for just for beginner guys, right? Yes, there is another way, that is professional way, that I will show you in the next video, guys, right? So don't worry, right? I will create another video where I will show you my best way, or you can say professional way, to make money online working from home, guys. But this is, you can say, somebody who just new, right, or beginner, and they want, like, they don't want to involve in some kind of technical stuff, right? So it's a, you can say, very simple way, guys, right? So anybody can do that I have shown you right now, right? You just pick one product and one, you can say, your affiliate link, and you make it that affiliate link show through Bitly, right? And then you go to Facebook and you put your affiliate link on your profile, or you can say bio section, and you create a post. It's whether it's a written post or you can say a Facebook live video, and in that you talk about your product, and then at the end of the post you talk about, hey, if you want to know more, or if you want to buy that product, then go to my profile. And if they go to your profile, click on link. If they decide to buy, you make money, guys, right? So this is simple way, guys, to make money online working from home, guys. Anybody can do that, guys, right? And you can see that it's somewhere, it's a free way, guys, to make money online working from home, guys. But yes, as I told you, there is another way. It's a best way, or you can say professional way, to make money online working from home, or you can say it's a professional way to do affiliate marketing, guys, that I will show you in next video. So don't worry, guys, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? Yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please do let me know. I will personally help you, guys, right? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a red button, go hit that button, right? And yes, there is a bell button also, hit that bell button, so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training, guys, that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and subscribe to my channel, guys, right, guys, right? So yes, this is the way, guys, where people buy your you can say your affiliate stuff. They buy from you when they have trust on you, right? So yes, first provide value, and then definitely, guys, when there will be trust on you, people will approach to you and they will buy from you, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, again, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, right? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? So yes, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.